Imagine starting a small business with a machine that costs under $500 and begins earning profit within weeks. In this video, I'll show you 10 real machines that anyone can start with, each proven to generate daily income. Watch closely. Every idea here is practical and achievable. Transparent flower, handbag packaging. This simple yet eye-catching idea can instantly boost a florist's income. Transparent handbag style flower packaging has become a social media trend, especially on Instagram, because it turns every bouquet into a premium looking gift. The investment is tiny, as each bag costs around $2 in bulk, but the return is huge. The same bouquet can now sell for $10 or more above its normal price. Florists, event planners, and wedding decorators love this upgrade because it adds instant luxury and drives impulse purchases. With minimal storage and zero special equipment needed, this is a fast, low-cost way to earn extra profit. Snack table business. A snack table is a flexible and highly profitable business idea that works perfectly for events, parks, and shopping malls. With a small investment of around $2,000, you can set up a table equipped with heating or cooling elements to keep snacks fresh. Customers love the variety because you can offer anything from nuts and cheese to cold cuts and finger foods. The profit margin is strong, since small snack portions sell for several times their cost. A single busy weekend can recover a big chunk of your investment, and event organizers love renting these setups. This low-maintenance idea generates fast, repeatable income. Frozen chocolate banana dessert setup. This viral dessert idea is perfect for home-based or street food businesses. The setup costs around $1,000 and requires only basic kitchen tools and a small freezer. Simply dip frozen bananas in chocolate, add toppings like nuts or candy, and sell them for $4 to $5 each while spending just $1 on ingredients. The high profit margin and visual appeal make these treats perfect for food stalls, food trucks, or local events. With consistent daily sales, the initial investment can be recovered in less than a month. This is a low-risk, fun, and highly shareable business idea with fast returns. Plant wax granule candle setup. This creative and safe candle business is perfect for beginners looking for high profit with low investment. Plant wax granules are easy to work with. Just pour them into a container, add a wick, and the candle is ready. Each kilo of wax costs only a few dollars, but can be sold for up to 10 times its cost once made into candles. A full setup with materials costs around $1,000, and with local sales, online orders, or craft markets, you can recover the investment in under a month. It's a low-risk, home-friendly business that generates consistent, high-margin income. Classic mug heat press. This low-cost machine is a perfect entry point for anyone wanting to start a personalized product business. Priced at around $100, the classic mug heat press allows you to print custom designs on mugs of any shape or size. Blank mugs can be purchased for less than $1 in bulk and resold for $5 or more, giving you a huge profit margin. With bulk production, you can earn $200 to $300 per day, quickly recovering your initial investment within 1 to 2 weeks. Ideal for home-based businesses, online stores, or gift shops. This machine turns creativity into fast, reliable income. Cotton candy vending machine. This fun and eye-catching business idea attracts customers instantly, especially kids and families. A fully automated cotton candy vending machine costs around $2,000 and doesn't require any staff to operate. It creates colorful, custom-shaped cotton candy on the spot, drawing attention in malls, parks, and busy streets. With each serving costing just a few cents and selling for $2 to $3, the profit margin is massive. At around 100 sales per day, the machine can pay for itself within a few months. This low-maintenance, high-appeal business is perfect for anyone wanting passive income with minimal effort. 3D printer for car parts printing. Owning a 3D printer can turn into a highly profitable small business with minimal investment. Starting at around $2,000, This machine allows you to create custom car parts that are often expensive or hard to find from manufacturers. So each part costs just a fraction to print and can be sold to local repair shops or car owners at a significant markup. With steady demand and repeat customers, you can recover your investment in just a few months. Perfect for garage workshops or home-based businesses, this machine combines modern technology with high profit potential for anyone willing to learn basic 3D modeling. TonH 2 Powder Mixer. The TonH 2 Powder Mixer is a compact yet powerful solution for small-scale production in food, pharmaceutical, or chemical businesses. This stainless steel machine evenly blends dry ingredients with its V-shaped drum, eliminating dead zones for perfect consistency. Priced at around $550, it is energy efficient and fits easily in small workshops or home-based setups. Producing up to 100 kilograms of product per day, with an average profit of $5 per kilogram, you can generate $500 daily. This means the machine can pay for itself in just a few days. Ideal for startups aiming to boost production efficiency and maximize profit quickly. Zone Pack. Automatic Liquid Dispenser, the Zone Pack. Automatic Liquid Dispenser is a precise and efficient tool for small-scale production of liquids like oils, perfumes, and juices. Priced at around $319, this compact machine dispenses up to 1.5 liters per minute and can handle liquids as hot as 100 degrees Celsius. Each filled bottle can generate around $3 in profit, and selling 30 bottles per day allows you to recover the full investment in just 4 days. Ideal for home-based startups or small manufacturers, this machine delivers fast ROI with minimal effort and waste. Roti Maker Machine. The Roti Maker is a compact kitchen machine perfect for small food businesses and home-based startups. Priced between $288 and $459, it automatically prepares rotis, chapatis, and pizza bases with minimal labor, producing around 100 pieces per day at just 23 cents each and selling in packs of 10 for $2.30. This machine can recover its costs in only 20 days. Ideal for tiffin services, food stalls, or small restaurants, the Roti Maker offers a low-risk, fast-return business opportunity that turns simple ingredients into steady daily profit. Subscribe to our channel for more profitable business ideas like these. Your journey to financial freedom can start with just one small machine. Which of these ideas inspired you the most? Comment below, give this video a like, and stay tuned for more ways to grow your income fast.